Hello, in this video we will discuss the substitute function of Excel. What it does, it replaces a set of characters with another character. Here are few examples and I will show you what is the different uses of this function. So first example is the word shut up. We will replace up with down, so it will become shut down. Let's see how it is possible. Is equal to substitute function. Call the substitute function the text where you want to which you want to modify this, comma, the text within this word. So we want to change up, so mention up here. So Excel will find in this cell the text up, okay, and it will replace with down. And now the instance means the occurrence, okay. Here the up is only one time, so instance is optional. Instance number we can mention. By default it will replace all the up values, but I will mention here one. So means first up, wherever it will find up first time, it will replace it. In next example, this the sequence number point will clear. I will discuss this. You can see it is replaced. Here is another example where shut up is mentioned two times. We can choose which up uh, Excel has to change, either both the ups or first up or second up. It is possible. So let's see how it is possible. The substitute function, the text which Excel has to search, it is up, and replace it with down. Okay. Now we have to mention the instance number. Here, first up we want to change or second up we want to change. So we will change the second up. I will mention here second time, number two. So what does it means? In this word, Excel will search the word up, okay, and its second occurrence, when it will come second time, then it will change with down. You can see shut, first up is there, second up is replaced with down. Okay, let's try again the same, and here I will mention it, the value 1. So now you can see the first occurrence was changed. And if we will not mention anything, it will change both. So we can change both up with down, first up with down, or second up with down. Here is another example. In this example, what we will do, there are three T's, T in the middle, and T in the end. We will change the T in the middle with some different value. Select the text, comma, old text is T, comma, the new text I will use asterisk. It will replace T with asterisk. And the occurrence, now we have occurrence 1, 2, 3. I will choose the 2. So second T is replaced. I can change it 3. So the third T is replaced with the asterisk. Here is another example where I will change all the T's with a character. Substitute, select the text, find T, replace it with dollar sign, and I will not mention anything. So it, in this case, it will find all the T's and will replace with dollar. You can see all t's are replaced with dollar sign. So here I explained you different uses of substitute function.